It's okay. We just have to be super quiet.
Hey, Kasha!
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading padung king
I told you I got over my stuttering issue. Looked at me mockingly and said, did you?
What?
Let's do this.
Wow.
What the dog doing?
Hey! That rock, I'm not gonna fall. Help me!
Vai ser no pente da sua doc que eu vou roçar com a xereca. Vai, pega, passa nele na teta, tu me maceta. Vai, pega, passa nele na teta, tu me maceta. Vai, pega, passa nele na teta.
More beef! The big bad wolf. The big bad wolf.
Do you even know what's in that?
Kimberly, I want you to take one good look at my fat ass and tell me if you think I give a fuck.
Coffee, 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 coffee. Coffee, 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 coffee.
No, 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 and no.
Tom Holland. Man, what the fuck? Man, I don't want to talk your beat.
Secret agent.
Murder on my mind.
Please, Daddy.
I told you, when I'm finished, you can have what's left.
There won't be any left. There's never any left.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Yo, boom. The king goes.
Come on, guys, pick whatever you want today. Nice pick. That one's super rare. All right, let's rush home to open this. We got the ultra rare. That's insane.
Clementine! Get your fucking hands off my daughter, bitch! I'll kill you! No, this motherfucker got me fucked up!
Lollipop. I'm a lollipop.
Tung tung sahur, tung sahur, tung sahur. Tung 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 sahur. Tung 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 tung.
Students are all morons! I give them everything they need to know, and they still fail. Always! And it's not because I'm a bad teacher. I'm a very good teacher. It's because they're stupid!
Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike. Dustin, Lucas, Will, Mike.
Max.
Dustin, Lucas, Will.
Padung kading padung ding. Sakading sakading padung king.
500 cigarettes.
Winky, winky, tipsy, motherfucking pro. Tell me how you sleeping easy, how you only thinking of yourself. Show me how you justify.
Every night at dinner, I'll be there. Every birthday party, I'll be there. Every Christmas, I'll be there. Nope.
Bruh.
6, 7.
This is gonna be my celebrity phone call. Tom Holland. Man, what the fuck? Man, I don't want to talk your beef. Oh, we're so sorry to hear about your brother that passed away. He gets 5 big booms. Boom! 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 Boom!
Oh, how cute. How cute. What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Can I do some real quick? No. 3, 2, 1.
I told you not to do that.
So I don't have like any fidget toys. This is the one I need.
I really want Secret Agent plushie. Me too. Let's swap plushies.
¿Qué quieres? ¿Qué? ¿Qué?
Wow. Victory.
Connecting Bluetooth. Bluetooth connected. Wait, please talk now.
Don't test my anger, buddy. Buddy, don't get me mad. I'm about to get mad. Don't test me. Don't test me. Don't test me. Don't get me mad. Don't get me mad.
You're not even gonna say bless you? I'm sitting here with you. You've already been blessed.
Morning. Good day to you, sir. Hey, wait a minute, what the hell?
It's time to go to heaven, my child.
What are you doing?
Stop it. Don't
Stop it.
fight.
Cut it out.
Don't
Help.
stop.
You see my bill? It says 5,434.56.
There's no mistake. That's the amount.
No, but I only use an electric blanket. Electric blanket.
Jinxie, can you count down for me? I'm almost finished. Bro, are you? Bro, I'm not helping you not. Get off of the channel!
Mommy, a girl behind you.
What are you?
Clementine! Get your fucking hands off my daughter, bitch!
I'll kill you! Motherfucker got me fucked up! Yo! Boom! Ah. The king goes... Skitty kick! And the poop poop! Boom! Round 4.
If you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Pepper? Pepper?
It's happened again! When are the fucking government gonna listen? Get illegals out now!
Oh shoot, I got a fortune cookie. Oh snap! I wonder what your fortune.
Oh shit, Jay. You gotta shoot him.
But why is it red?
Jay, you gotta move!
Hi, what would you like to order?
Can I get an ice caramel?
What?
An ice caramel?
What would you like to order?
An ice...
Marcela?
Marcela!
So cute! So cute! What?
Behind you! Look!
Oh my god!
Oiga, bájese de ahí, no joda.
no me está gritando!
Cheese, my lady.
Salud.
Pendeja, cabrona, estúpida.
Mándara, mándara. Mándara, mándara, bitch. Mándara, mándara, brava. ¡Ayúdanos!
¿Yo?
¡Sí! Oi, you're in. Let's go. Me?
So it's your boy, we're gonna smash this thing.
Yeah, let's do it. Would you like a sledgehammer?
Is a delicious tasty treat.
I'm not quite sure I understand.
That was literally so cool, guys. Let's dance.
Ta gueule, mais bordel! Mais
Quoi, ta gueule?
mais y'en a pas une qui a...
Ça a marqué!
Espèce de je passe la pipette d'après toi! Tu crois que j'appuie où?
Les gars, s'il vous plaît.
Mais elle est débile celle-là! Tu crois que j'appuie où? Dis-moi, tu crois que j'appuie?
I'm going to get you. That's where I belong. Anything I tell you seems to be all wrong.
Man, we Hemis. We ain't finna just let Montreal beat the brakes off you. We got your back.
This party's turned. What happened to my panties?
You understand I gotta leave you, right? It ain't personal. It's pussy.
So what now? I reckon you want a kiss?
Kissing would be nice, yes?
Get out the way! I'ma show you how to turn up on your motherfucking birthday, bitch! Woo! God damn, I just got an accident and I gotta keep going, so I'm gonna call y'all the fuck back. I got to go. Or whatever, cause I'm not stopping.
My brother! Drew!
Every other day I'm wondering what's a human being gotta be like? What's a way to
Nope.
Bruh.
6, 7! You're right. Ready or not. Ready or not. Ready or not.
Hey, could I get a coffee?
Coming right up!
I'm a lollipop.
Nice try, puppy!
This thing is called Ratafuck, 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 Ratafuck. Hello, I'm your neighbor, I might see you later. This place is not for you and for me to look and see.
Bada bing, bada boom, bada pow, bitch. Give me my shit.
Huh?
Get off that dime, Julio, act a foolio. Bitch, I called your motherfucking phone, that's how you...
Let's go live to Ollie Williams with the Black U Weather Report. Ollie?
It's raining sideways!
Sounds rough, Ollie. Do you have an umbrella?
Had one!
Where is it?
Inside out, 2 miles away!
Is there anything we can do for you?
Bring me some soup!
What kind?
Chunky!
All right, we'll get on that.
Coffee.
Ah, cool, a contract. Let's sign it.
Coffee.
Am I cute?
No, and shut up.
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading sakading padung king Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading sakading padung king
Hey bro, it's my first time DJing. Can you see if I'm any good? Yeah, let me hear you up.
52 bomber clap, pussy wagon, chicken nugget.
What the hell?
Yo, boom. The king goes.
Thank you for saving me. I was so thirsty. I was so...
Hold up! No running in the hallway, you lot! Alright, all accounted for. Next time, walk, yeah?
Give me coffee, or else! I have a favor, can you give me one more coffee? Thank you, friend. I have a favor, can you give me one more coffee? Wow, thank you, friend! Can I hide with you, please?
Hide in there. Don't make a sound.
Have you seen this rabbit?
No, haven't seen anyone matching that description. I'll shift.
Thank you. This is for you.
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading sakading padung Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading sakading padung king Dung Doobish googaloo. Doobish googaloo.
Me, 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 me. I am the great mighty Pooh, and I'm going to throw my shit at.
I got a...
Can you count to 1 million?
Daddy doesn't count, Daddy fucks.
Can you try counting to 1 million?
1 million? Daddy's got a better count. How many beers Daddy can drink before passing out?
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading sakading padung king
Michael, don't leave me here. Michael, Michael, help me.
Tom Holland. Man, what the fuck? Man, I don't want to talk yo bitch.
Okay, that's the works. Add that. Boom, bop, and there you go, sir.
Chris, why the fuck you at that bitch house? Why the fuck you at that bitch house? Huh? Get your...
Hi, we're triplets. We do everything in threes. And when we go to Starbucks, we say triple ventis, please.
I put on a black wig, got black contacts, used some makeup, and turned into a real Korean.
You see a fish.
There's one.
Ah! Oh my god.
Kim, what the hell?
I didn't mean to.
Did you do that on purpose?
No.
Pull it out.
I'm so sorry.
You said you knew what you were doing.
I think the sun reflected in my eyes.
Give me the spear. I'll do it.
No, I can do this.
Fine. Then I'm standing behind you.
I see one. I don't even know how that happened.
Please, coffee, my friend. You again! Leave now!
傻了白了错，白了又了白，两了只了，矮了都了，瘦了起了来。